In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Xbox app notifications not working. So there are some methods. First one, open settings, and here click on notifications and make sure this setting is on. And also in this list, if you see the notification for Xbox, so make it on. Just you have to make on for both here, and also turn off this option, do not disturb. And also guys, in apps, install apps and find out Xbox. So click on this three dot and advanced options in Xbox and use this repair and reset method. So firstly repair and then reset. So these are methods to fix this problem. Firstly, turn on notifications for applications, and after that, that method not work, so reset your Xbox. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.